Alright, so I changed my hair. I thought I would sit down and talk to you guys. Oh my god, there's a stain on my shirt. When you haven't done something in a while, you have this imposter syndrome. You have this fear that you're not going to be good enough. You fear that you're going to mess up, or what you're going to create is going to be awful or sloppy. It's not going to be as good as yourself. Like, even when you're not comparing yourself to somebody else, when you're just comparing yourself to work that you've done in the past, you might start to feel like you are losing your flair, like you're not as good as you used to be. Well, let me just put this into context. When I look back at some of the videos that I used to make, even when I didn't have a camera, I didn't have lights and all this fancy equipment, I had my phone and I had sunlight, and my room paint wasn't the same, although the paint is quite dirty. I will be renovating my room, not really renovating, but I will be organizing my room soon, so maybe not, you guys might get a room organization video. I am not sure, but stick around to find out. When I look back at some of my older videos that I used to do back in like 2019, honestly, that girl had no idea what she was saying or what she was doing. She just knew that she loved YouTube and she loved making videos, and it didn't really matter like subscribers and all that. And I remember watching my videos and I saw how happy I was in those videos. I remember that I was genuinely happy and I enjoyed what I was doing. But after such a while, I started to get, I don't know if I should call this hate, but I was not receiving good feedback from my friends. You know, they would tell me that YouTube is not for everyone. I don't have the camera presence for YouTube. I didn't have any content that was watchable. It was so hurtful. And then people would tell me not to film until I had a camera. I had no money at the time. I still have no money right now, but she had something that I wish I had right now. Like, of course, YouTube is just a small aspect of the big picture of who I am, but it's an outlet. I decided to just stop making videos because I didn't feel like me anymore. But now, after this long break of not making videos for a while, I think I'm ready to get back on YouTube. I still don't know what I want to make, what I want to do. I still don't know what my channel should be about. But instead of trying so hard to force myself into a box early on, baby's crying, I'm just going to talk about what I care about and grow like that. Can I just say something? Any title pretty much on the internet that says productive day in my life, we're lying to you. There is no way we are having a productive day and filming the productive day. It's around the end of the day. Let me show you what I've done so far. You can clearly see that we have a login page or a signing page, and then we have this page which is supposed to be the dashboard. Quickly, today consists of meetings, UI design, also some graphic designs for my branding account on Instagram.
Now, so I'm already on our phone process.
Hi everyone. I still have to clean my room today. Okay, so that's the cleanser that I'm using. And then I use vitamin C serum and the Good Molecules discoloration serum. I have a ton of dark spots on my skin, so I use that to help me with hyperpigmentation. It's so funny because when I was even like 2 years younger, I didn't have to worry about like hyperpigmentation, anything like that. It was never, this is the lotion that comes with it. It was never an issue with, you know, for me, hyperpigmentation and stuff. So like I was thriving. I knew that if I picked at a pimple or something, it would disappear. Like the hyperpigmentation would go away in like a few weeks. Just like becoming more of an adult, growing up, because like you have like from 18 to like you die, you will be an adult. So just getting into my adult years, I have seen a difference. It's harder for me to lose weight. It's not very easy for me to for my hyperpigmentations to like fade away. So that's definitely some of the things that come with getting old. Get ready with me while I tell you guys some exciting news. And I think I'm going to wear this top and some loose flowy pants, which are not ironed, by the way. I recently became a Notion ambassador, so I am officially a Notion employee. I think I would categorize myself as the team in charge of like advertising, bringing Notion closer to you. Definitely love being a part of a team. In my endless search and trials to become a software developer, there's just one thing that has stayed true, which is the need to just join a team, the need to be a part of something, working towards a common goal. I think that's what interests me about software development, joining a team, all of that. I think what interests me about joining Notion is the fact that I actually use Notion. This is not like I talk about Notion already on my channel before this ambassadorship, which actually came as a surprise, and I'll get to that. It's so amazing to be a part of a team that you've actually used their software for so long. It has transformed your life, and not just that, now you're a part of the team that brings the same software to your community. It's just so crazy to think like how far I have come. I'm not kidding when I say this is the highlight of my year. I went through the roughest phase. I will post something relating to how the first half of the year has been for me. This may not be the best time to film because literally everyone is out today. By the way, happy Independence if you're a Nigerian watching this. It's Monday, so it's the 2nd of October. So I think a lot of schools, business places, they are taking today off because of the Independence holiday. So happy Independence to everyone watching. I think I use this one for almost everything. I also have the black that I use for making some places darker. Brows look okay. My hair, oh my goodness, do you know I totally forgot that my hair was a mess doing this whole get ready with me. I'm almost done actually. I'm going to just nicely slick my hair back when I'm done with the whole makeup. Usually I put my makeup stuff in this, but I recently switched some of my things to storage like this. I feel the need to just kind of get my life together the more I become an adult, and it's not because of any pressure to be anything or, you know, achieve anything by a certain age. It's just me personally feeling like I need to thrive. Like I need to thrive in work, I need to thrive in anything that I'm doing, and for me to be able to operate at that level of excellence, I have to start from the little things. I have to start from how I organize my space, my environment, things that I let into my life, things that I allow. And it's all about discernment as well. What's good for you, what's not good for you, what's right for you now, and what's not right for you. So probably will look back and hate this video because of how messy my hair looks, but I'm just trying to be completely real with you guys. I am done. So as you guys can see from the mess behind me, I still have a lot of work to do in terms of cleaning, and I have not started working yet. I have to, so I'm going to start working now and check back in with you guys to clean up. Okay. Also, I'm very hungry.